In today's video, we'll be showing you how to do a proper cartwheel, featuring Ella. And that kid.
I have an A.
First, Connor will try to do a cartwheel, and it looks like he is struggling. Your foot placement is wrong. You put your right foot in front of your left.
Okay, so like this?
Yeah, that's it. Next, Connor will start to turn into the cartwheel. As you can clearly see, this one is terrible. No, that's not it. You need to put your right hand first, and then your left, and kick over faster.
Okay, thanks.
Now Connor is going to attempt a full cartwheel.
Why are you all so rude?
As expected, he failed. No surprise there. No, you landed wrong. You need to put your left foot first, and then your right.
Okay, thanks.
You did it. Wow, he actually did it. Now I owe Ella $10.
What'd you say?